Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For more informative videos, do subscribe my channel. For notification, click the bell icon. Today's topic of our conversation is supply chain management. Our team members are Ayaz Khalid, Osama Siddiq and Noman Nazar. Supply chain management is all about effectiveness, responsiveness and the efficiency of the working of an organization. In simple words, anticipating the customer's requirement, delivering them precisely the same every time with continuous improvement, meeting customers' requirement at optimum cost while harnessing everybody's commitment is supply chain. Supply chain management is about the efficiency, but there should be some area for improvements, which we will discuss in this video with the reference of AK Marketings. A company which is established in 2004, it's a retail-oriented company providing top fashion brands, products and services. Their outlets are in Karachi, Lahore. The procurement department is responsible for the acquisition of supplies, products and services. They should be cost-effective across the business. They focused on quality. They only deal with the filer vendors. Quickly discuss the procurement step by step. Purchase requisition is hire different vendors from the market, take quotations from them, then send RFQ in the market, check vendors, rate, quality, analyze vendor who meets requirement, then PO is issued. For more details, I would like to invite Mr. Ayaz.
Hi, this is Muhammad Ayaz and now I'll proceed with procurement documentation. Every company has its own documentation system of procurement. These documents with process by using MDX ERP system. Purchase requisition comes in system. Against PO will be preparing. Print PO and sign from head of procurement. Scan the signed PO and email it to vendor. Against that PO, vendor sends supplies with delivery challan and invoice and PO. Warehouse officer check and match the PO with quality, delivery challan. Signs and stamp delivery challan from gate and also from himself. Document comes to procurement executive and after that warehouse enter receipt in system and supplies come to inventory. Different supplies have different times of payment. On spot to the 6-month or 1 year payment system. Now let's have a look over to purchase approval. In every company there is a systematic way of legal procedure. First of all, on purchase order we need the approval from the head of department of company. For example, warehousing operation department to bring a forklift in warehouse. Then head of warehouse department gives approval on the PO. After that PO is approved by the head of procurement and when the payment is scheduling, the head of finance gives the approval of the payment. If a company wants to purchase assets for the company, then we need an approval from head of operations and admin department for such supplies. There are different things procurement department procure and every supplies approval is required from the head of department or concerned department. Problems faced of sourcing in COVID-19. In COVID-19 days, we have faced a lot of difficulties in sourcing and purchasing the items. The sale of the goods of the company reduces. If we talk about procurement hurdles, then first of their main problem was to repayment time reduces and faced finance issues due to change in payment time as supplier demand to work on minimum time frame of payment. Due to lockdown, some of the suppliers were not able to deliver goods on time as the logistics system was also heavily disturbed and restrictions was imposed from WHO and every country's government. Flight operations were delaying at some point, they were totally closed. For further continuation, I would like to call Mr. Noman Nazar.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Numan and I am going to tell you suppliers development strategy. They don't change the vendor or supplier if one supplier is working with them from last time. Then the same supplier might be working next 10 years also. It wholly depends upon the supplier's service and product quality and other perks that the supplier maintain. They only change the supplier when they find the way better supplier than this previous one as to save the company from major loss faced due to new supplier or company. and the new supplier when order exceed the capacity of the current supplier. Company has the proper system of check and balance of vendor or supplier, which help maintain the supplier reliability and trustworthiness. They randomly inspect the vendor or suppliers on TQM scale. Targets and goals. These are the targets and goals of procurement: cost cutting, high profits, company growth, retain the current supplier and vendor. Timely supplies, obtain the best value for the money spent, source quality products, manage relationships, cost efficient, responsiveness plan, risk management. If we evaluate risk element for the company, then we think these are following. Only work with filer, registered supplier, evaluate current supplier through different checks. Payments are made according to supplier products category ABC. Penalty to supplier if supplier did not supply within time period. Product quantity, quality, rates, and market value evaluation and analyze.
This is Usama Siddiq. I'm going to tell you about the AK Market Inventory, how they manage inventory. They receive inventory by IO, they keep stock count in a systematic way, they record entries in system, they are using ERP system of MDX, ongoing inventory system, incoming inventory system. They are using LIFO and FIFO when needed. Now, how they manage the quality. Marketing minimizing or removing error in purchasing. Continuous improvement, identifying systematic output, identifying customers, negotiating customer requirement, develop a supplier specification.
Now we will discuss the four AFIs of the company. Number one, supplier retention, integration, purchase approval, and the last one is storage capacity and forecasting. I'll discuss here number one, supplier retention. Currently, company retains supplier and retain them for longer period, which helps them reduction in cost and same and optimum standard product with necessary changes every time or when needed. There is one hurdle in that they should assess that single supplier can hit you bad anytime intentionally or not intentionally. Anything is possible in business. Keeping in this thing in mind, company should have multi-supplier or vendor system for the emergency time, so it will be possible for them to minimize the risk of shortage of product, as it mentioned by one of their employee that they ordered their season product to single supplier which closed due to coronavirus case found in their facility, which hit them badly. It was better they could have placed the order in COVID-19 situation to different suppliers of same product producer. Now the number two, integration. Their inner departmental system is integrated. Moreover, their suppliers should be integrated with them to minimize the lead time and order placement time and delivery time, which includes. Integration is more necessary part of the business for getting supplies efficiently and business get the automation and optimization of key business processes that connect an organization with its trading partners, customers and suppliers. With automation and modern technology like the system SAP, it will be more responsive and efficient. It will increase efficiency, lower cost and a better work environment. A better coordination and integration is a SAND strategy.
Purchase approval. In AK marketing, if they need to buy anything for internal use, they first take quotation from vendors and get the approval on the basis of lowest quotation, which is not good practice in the fast moving world. They should also focus on the quantity and quality of the product supplied or under providing, which in return decreases the cost in long run, which increases responsiveness and effectiveness. They also have long process of approval. It should be reduced to only means department, which will reduce lapse of time, and for further approval should be examined afterward for transparency.
Improvement. Storage capacity and forecasting. They are also running their own online store, which is currently new and facing many problems of delivering product to customer. Currently, they are completing customer order by combining customer products from different facilities, and the way increasing the cost of delivery, which hitting company badly, and customer also getting annoyed of getting their order partially which they have ordered once. For the improvement of scenario, they should categorize the products and place inform customer during the placement of order, and then they will receive partial order or manage the thing or orders region wise, which will reduce the cost and increase the customer satisfaction. They manage to do a systematic forecasting, which doesn't always present the correct result and land to higher costs. They should also consider the input of the managers of the selling their inventory to better forecast by matching their input and systematic recommended, which will reduce the shortfall or excess inventories or ultimately save the cost of doing business.